Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to protect any column, cell or row in your Microsoft Excel worksheet document with password. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, here is an example Microsoft worksheet, and I would like to select any particular column password protected, so later on no one can change without the password. So for that, what you have to do, for that you have to select all this worksheet first time. So I'm going to click on my keyboard Ctrl A to select this whole worksheet document, and after that I'm going to right click anywhere, and then I'm going to click on format cell. Here is Queen Apple, which is format cell. You have to click protection and then uncheck this locked and then click on OK. Now wherever you would like to protect any column particular, select that and then again right click over there and click on format cell and click on protection and then click on locked and then click on OK. Now go on review and click on protect sheet, and here make sure this two is checked, and here type the password, whatever password you would like to, and then click on OK, and then again re-enter the password and then click on OK. From now, if I am going to edit this figure, it will not give me permission to any type of figure type there. If I change this other, it will change automatically, but if I am going to select this particular cell, it will not change. See, so how you can return back as usual? For that, just simply click this unprotected sheet and then type the password and then click on OK, and now you can easily change any figure. And then if you like to protect sheet, again go on protect sheet and then type the password. This is how you can protect your any column with the password protected. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.